Get back in the goddamn truck.
What are you talking about? I got him.
Button up that coat. You're embarrassing me.
Yeah. You want to hit me again? Is that getting you hard?
I wanted a boy. What did God give me? For goddamn girls.
Please, sir, this is a huge
Shut up!
misunderstanding.
We know about the judge and the typewriters and the taxes, and we know you were putting ideas into his head. And all I want to hear out of your mouth right now is where he is.
Who?
If you knew the day I'm having.
Tell him. Why would I go by Rye's place yelling his name if I knew where he was?
You talk to the cops. In the hole.
What? Look, I can find him. I can. If you give me a day, 2 days.
Lie down.
On the ground? I'm not the one you wanted. Talk to Bill again. They got him.
What you say?
Came by yesterday, looking for Rye. Probably they found him. I'm just... I could call, make a deal. I got capital.
You don't know anything. You're gonna drive down to that shithole Minnesota town. You're gonna bring my brother back tonight. Judge or no judge, if Kansas City gets in your way, if the cops get in your way, if anybody gets in your way, you kill him dead.